Grace of the Almighty God. So students, we have already discussed the chapter 3 and I also have given the solution of the chapter. So now we are going to start in this video. We are going to discuss the chapter 4. Okay, and our topic of the chapter is our beautiful country. As we know which country we live in our beautiful country, that is India. So we are going to discuss about the resources of India. We are going to discuss about the topics related to the India. So as we know, before going to start, I will read the story time and I will discuss with you. Okay, first of all I will read the story time, then I will make you to understand. In this, there is a name of a girl called Sonam. Okay, you will get the name of a girl like Sonam, and what she loves to adventure, means to visit a new place, to learn new place. Okay, to learn from the new place. So adventure is like visiting or going to the new place and learning new things from it. So she loves that. So in here, let's start. So I am Sonam, means that girl name is what? Sonam. And what she loves? She loves traveling. Traveling is her passion. Okay, in school I am a member of the adventure club. In school she is the member of the adventure club. I always dreamed of exploring our wonderful country by road. She was always have a dream of exploring her wonderful country by the road. The variety of the relief features of our country have always fascinated me. She was always surprised. Fascinated means she was always surprised to see the various kinds of the things around the earth. As you visit, you can see on the earth only. If you say about our country India, there is a different kinds of landforms. If you say Assam, the landform of the Assam is somewhere it is a plain and somewhere it is a just not plain. It is like mountains. You can say if you cross this Borpeta and if you go to this side, then what you can say that you can see from in the place called Bongaigaon, you can see the mountains. So from this we can know that the landform of the Assam is not plain. Okay, and after that Bongaigaon again we will get the plain land. Okay, so somewhere it is a high, somewhere it is a low lands are there. So there are different features of the earth that makes the earth very beautiful. Okay, so we are going to discuss about that. So next you see that the variety of the relief features of our country have always fascinated me. She was always surprised to see that. Rima and Jyoti. Who is Rima and Jyoti now? Rima and Jyoti is the Sonam's classmate, the two of the classmates. Okay, they are going to join her, means to Sonam. With Sonam will come Rima and Jyoti on her trip. Okay, so decided to take a road trip with me. We were accompanied by Sheila. So now who is Sheila? There was now total how many persons are going? 4 persons. Sheila is not a friend. Sheila you can say Sheila is a friend of Sonam, Rima and Jyoti, as she is also a guide. Now who is a guide? A guide is a person who knows the place, okay, that the areas very nicely, and will instruct, will give you a huge round of the area. In the detail they will explain. That is called the guide. That is the place of the guide. Okay, that is the work of the guide. The guide always works his level best in order to make you understand about the importance of the place. Okay, so Sheila is the guide. Sheila was a tourist guide whom we know personally, and she acted as our chairperson. Okay, sorry, chaperone. It is there. Chaperone. In here, the chaperone means she will always guide to whom? To the what called Sonam, Rima and Jyoti. Understood? Our journey was to last for about 2 months. Their journey was about for the 2 months. How many, like they will start their journey today and it will be lasted for how many days? It will last for 2 months. Okay, on our journey we saw mountains, plateaus, valleys and deserts. Let us read more about Sonam's account of our journey. So we will discuss more about the Sonam's account of her journey, how she went, where she visited, what kind of places she has saw. Okay, so we are going to discuss about it. So let's get started without wasting our time. So in here the earth surface is not the same at every place. As we know, as I have already told you, that the surface of the earth is not same in everywhere. In some places it is a very higher, and while some places it is a lower. Okay, that is lower. Okay, some places it is high and it is some place it is a low. Okay, so we can say that there are different features of the earth. These different create different landforms which are also referred to as relief features or physical features. As a result, if lowland is there and the highland is there, so this will be different. Like the highland which is there, it will be very cold, right? It will be very cold, and the lowland which will be there, it will be, the temperature difference will be there. The highland is good during the highland is good for what? The highland is good for sheep and cattle rearing, and the lowland is good for because of the land which is very fertile in the down, because water is present in there. For this reason it is good for agriculture. Okay, so next the journey we will start. Whose journey? Our journey to the chapter, and Sonam's journey to the adventure. Okay, what we are going to start? Our journey to the chapter and Sonam's journey to the adventure. So first of all, plateau is given. So a plateau, what is plateau? It is a like highland is there. Okay, like highland is there and the lowland is there. So the highland is called plateau. If the land, suppose it is a land, plain lands are there. Suppose that area with rice land, this is called plateau. Okay. Now we started our journey from Bilaspur in the Chhattisgarh, which lies in the region of the Chota Nagpur plateau. They started their journey into the Bilaspur region, which lies in the region of which place? Chota Nagpur plateau. Now, what is the meaning of the plateau? You can get this meaning in the word power also, that a plateau is a flat table land which is higher than the surrounding areas. So, for example, I am going to show you one image. You can see here that suppose the lowland is there, yes, and the higher areas are there. So, these all are what? Plateau, and the lowland is there. Okay, this is what? This is plateau. So a plateau is a flat, you can say a flat tableland which rises abruptly from the surrounding areas, which mineral deposits like iron, mica and limestones are found in this region. Farmers in this region grow cotton and oilseeds. The landscape was pictured with the orange orchards and vineyards on the way. Plateaus can be found in each and every continent. So you can find in the different continent you can find the plateaus, and the plateaus are good for, in the plateaus what kind of plantation did the Sonam noticed? Okay, it was very beautiful scenery according to Sonam. She has seen the orange orchards, means the orange farming, okay, and the vineyards tree, okay, there was different vine tree was there, and the vegetation in the plateau differs from one area to another. As I have told that the highland is cold and the lowland is little bit temperature is there. For this reason there will be the difference of the agriculture and the farming. Okay, the higher plateaus which is mentioned in your book is that the higher plateaus are used for the sheep, as I have already mentioned in the before. Yes, you remember, the higher plateaus are used for the sheep and the cattle rearing, and the lower plateaus are suitable for the farming purposes. So some plateaus are rather huge, covering hundreds of kilometers. The Deccan Plateau covers more than the 8 states of the India. So some plateaus which are there, it is means suitable for agriculture. And the Deccan Plateau, if we talk about the Deccan Plateau, okay, the Deccan Plateau covers the 8 states of the India. Okay, how many plateaus the Deccan Plateau covers? So how many states the Deccan Plateau covers? The Deccan Plateau covers 8 states of India. So if you plateaus have lots of mineral deposits. The Chota Nagpur Plateau in India has a lots of coal and iron ore reserves apart from bauxite, copper and manganese. Some plateaus are located in a dry region on the leeward side of mountain. Some plateaus are located in the which place in the dry region, and the leeward directions means in the left side direction. Suppose it is in the corner of the, you can say, place, okay, leeward direction. Now in some plateaus like the Coraldo Plateau in the Grand Canyon, USA, which is found, the plateau which is called Coraldo Plateau in the Grand Canyon, USA, one can see the deep gorges and the canyons. At times plateaus have rivers flowing through them. Sometimes you can find different kind of rivers near the plateaus. Now you see, for example, if I am showing you the image of the plateau which is in the page number 2. Suppose this image is there. From the down you can see that the highland is there and the low is the lowland. Suppose the water will get deposit here. What will be as a result? The rivers will be formed. Up to here the water is there, so the rivers are formed here. From here the lowland is there. So you know that where the water gets deposited, if it is raining, if it rains, then the water will be deposited into the lowlands. Okay, it will come down from the highland to the lowland, and it will be shifted to the, as a result, it will be deposited into the river. So in some plateaus like Coraldo Plateau in the Grand Canyon, USA, one can see the deep gorges and the canyons. At the time, plateaus have rivers flowing through them. The Tibetan Plateau is surrounded by the mountains on all sides. In certain cases, the weather in the plateaus can be quite cold because of the height. So if you say the weather in the plateaus are very quite cold, okay, because of the height, you can say. Mining happens to be the crucial occupation in this place. In this kind of place, the mining is very crucial, very important place. Mining is very important to them. Okay, so students, we have discussed about the plateaus. In our next class, we are going to discuss about the desert. Okay, in the online class also I have discussed up to till and that. I hope that I will be able to see you in the online class, and we really will be able to in the future. Very soon we are going to meet. Till then, that, take care, keep studying, keep loving. Bye bye.